What the? What is this? Oh wait, he's still going? Good.
Oh, we gotta do hots after this. Yeah, he changed his mind.
Everybody chickens out. They just think it's... Oh yeah, it's too much, you gotta go. Oh, we have to with these.
Jets that need to start all the way down here.
You can go ahead first if you want, since you're already there.
Yeah.
And then Frank, I'll go behind you.
No, you're in front of me.
Yeah. You start going and I'll go as well.
No, go.
Go.
Because you'll be in the air way before me.
Ray,
I didn't give you a whole lot of stick time.
Taking off.
Gear up.
Taking off.
There's people crossing, guys.
21.1.
Just probably because of the cold. I'm not the best at formation with this plane, so just be ready.
Okay, no, this is good. 22.6. No need for formation. Low pass. Oh man, there's a little plane there.
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Low pass from the right.
Hi, Frank. I actually have to push the nose down with this plane in order to keep up with the information. I mean, you dive so much. Yeah, this one goes. Low pass.
Got it.
I'm quarter full.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Whoa, hello, Frank.
Right, touch and go from the right. Right, do your touch and go and then I'll land. Roger.
30 seconds.
You got a little plane coming in, Frank.
Yeah, that's me.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Frank, you landing?
6, 5,
Yeah, you're clear, Frank. Come on.
3,
I'm coming in next.
1.
Unless you're already... Oh, Rand, you've got time.
I got them. So
Gear
slow
down.
compared to you guys. Low pass.
Landing flat.
Hey, Frank, get clear. I got to come in.
That was it.
Braking.
Woohoo! All right.
Flaps up.
The wind right over the fence is doing something really weird.
This is a beauty flap. I was like...
The whole
time. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you got new packs.
Did I? Yeah, but I think I picked the wrong one.
Oh, okay.
I was like, did I not get the right pack or what?
Oh, I gotta give her thing. Okay. Cool. I gotta give Helen her container. Hey, we gotta do more flying, Frank, before the wind.